cream truck enters a bright candy land road. Children wave and dance. Happy jingle begins. Here comes the ice cream truck, yay, yay, yay. Ice cream time, hooray, hooray. Colors bright and flavor sweet. Let's learn colors as we eat. Good ice cream. Red strawberry ice cream scoop drops into a cone. Lay red ice cream, strawberry treat. So yummy, cold and sweet. Red, red, what a view. Let's all say, I love you. Yellow one appears with sunshine background. Yellow ice cream, lemon fun, shining bright just like the sun. Yellow, yellow, what a delight. Taste the sunshine, shining bright. Green mint ice cream spins with mint leaves flying around.